In today's video, guys, I'm going to tell you how you can make money using earnbly.com, where you can take surveys, complete offers, and watch videos. So here's how to start. First of all, you go to daily surveys. You can take surveys on your surveys and you get paid about 70 pence or 70 cents over here for every survey you do. And then you go down to videos. You click Hideout TV and choose the genre. So I'm going to choose the genre food because it's the first one here. You earn at least 70 cents for every 3 video ads you watch. So you can just leave this running all day long on the computer. Make sure it's a new window and not just a tab. Right click up here, choose Root Site and press play. Make sure you're signed in as well. Top right, make an account and sign up and sign in. Go down to rewards. The longer you run this program for, the more points you'll gain. So this is an advert which plays out. You can watch the advert, you get points. Click redeem. You can redeem these points by clicking start redeem progress. Go down to earn ably, and now 207 points with 16 points. Click redeem balance. Close the tab. Refresh the page. You'll see you have 54 points in your thing now. You can also run alongside this video runner program the Ace Ball program. It's slightly the same. You let it load up. If it doesn't load, click here. It will load up and you run the video player in the background whilst you're chilling and watching YouTube. So the TV runs here and there'll be videos of people doing stuff. Now you'll get more points. You can redeem your points here. Choose PayPal. 150 points is £1. Send me donation to clickmakingisback@gmail.com. Guys, if you get 10 likes on this video, I'll make a new video on how to learn money. Make sure to subscribe. The link to this website will be in the description. And peace.